Good evening. Welcome to my trading view for 31st May 2021. Today being the weekly close, we can see Nifty closed at its live highs today, thereby signaling another up move, which I have pointed with a white arrow mark here. So one can go long positional traders, keeping a stop loss at 15,000 levels. If we move to daily graph, today here we can see Nifty closed at its all-time highs, which it couldn't do some weeks before. Going forward, everything looks fine for the Nifty to march towards 15,700, 15,800 levels. Stop loss for positional longs can be kept at below 15,200 levels on a closing basis. I have marked it by this white line. And for all intraday trades, stop loss can be kept at 15,360 levels. Once Nifty crosses today's high, that is 15,470 odd levels, we can see momentum gathering more pace. Bank Nifty during the first part of the week consolidated, and in the latter part of the week it moved up. During the week it closed some 400 points higher, and thereby we can see a positive body forming in the weekly chart. Going forward, here also one can expect more upside in the coming days. Moving on to daily chart, we can see that the closing was towards the lower end of the trading range. All positional longs in Bank Nifty can move their stop losses to below 34,400 on a closing basis. If we go and take a look at the hourly chart, we can see here Nifty Bank is consolidating very well. Once it moves above today's high, we can have more upside possible. For all short-term traders, they can place their stop loss below 34,800. Moving on to derivative data, Nifty ended the day higher by 96 points to close at 15,434. Profit booking was seen in Nifty futures, which rose by 0.6%, whereas the open interest went down by 2%. The Nifty open interest PCR was at 1.25. Amongst Nifty options 3rd June expiry, put trading was seen at 15,300 and at 15,400 levels. Call rating was seen at 15,500, 600, but 16,000 calls is where we see maximum buildup of open interest. Bank Nifty closed at 35,141 points, up 46 points. Buying was seen in Nifty Bank as open interest was up 1.5%, with Bank Nifty closing higher by 0.13%. Nifty Bank PCR is placed at 0.75 levels. Long buildup is seen by FIIs in the index futures segment. Here they bought net worth rupees 438 crores in today's trade. Their open interest went up by 4,300 contracts. Market breadth was positive. VIX was down by a massive 12.4% today to close at 17.4%. It was mainly due to Nifty crossing its life highs today. Once again, I will reiterate that going short in this market is not a good idea. By going into the derivative segment data, I have seen that retail traders are heavily short in the market. which is not a good indication as they are the people who lose money. A look at FIA activity on 28th May 2021. We can see that they have a net open interest of 1,22,500 contracts as at the end of this day. Finally, a look at Nifty open interest chart for first week June expiry. We can see from the chart that 15,300 is where maximum has been written, and 15,400 also we have puts outnumbering calls. But if we look at the call side, 16,000 is where the maximum open interest of calls, that is about 55,000, has been written. Thanks for watching. Good night.